Hello everyone, Kannada International School Washim welcomes you all. Subscribe our channel right now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So students, all of you, I hope you have watched the video of a and an, that is article. Now in this video we are going to discuss the grammar section. Topic name is one and many of class 1. Okay, so one and many. Let's read. We used a or an to show when a thing is only one in number. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि अगर कोई चीज़ सिर्फ एक है, मतलब it is one and only, then we will use a or an. If there is more than one, we do not use a or an. We add s at the end of the word. मतलब जब कोई चीज़ एक है तो आप a या फिर an यूज़ करोगे. But if the things are more than one, अगर कोई चीज़ एक से ज़्यादा है, then we do not use a or an. तो आप क्या यूज़ करोगे? We will use s at the end of the word. उस word के end में आप s यूज़ करोगे. Sorry. So look at these pictures. What you can see, this is the picture of rabbit. A rabbit. Why? The number of rabbits is only one, so we have used a before rabbit. A because R is consonant. Now here you can see 4 rabbits, so we will use many before rabbits because rabbits are more than one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 rabbits. That means more than one. That's why we have used many word before rabbits. Now next picture. Look at this. This is a book. Why we have used a book? Because the number of books is only 1. So we will use a book. A before book. Now look at this. 1, 2 and 3. How many books are there? There are 3 books. So more than one book are there. That's why we have used the word many. So many books. तो अगर आपके पास कोई चीज़ एक है, then use a or an. But if it is more than one, then you have to use many. So let us look at some examples. First one, a boy, मतलब एक लड़का. एक है इसलिए हमने यूज किया a boy. Many boys. Look at this word. We have used s at the end of the word because the boys are more than one. Here also we have used s at the end of word, s at the end of word. So when you are talking about more than one things, you will add s at the end of that word. Next one, a car. Why we have used a? Because it starts with C consonant and car is only one. Many cars. Fine. An apple. एक ही apple है. Many apples. So एक से ज़्यादा apple है तो we will say many apples. A clock. Many clocks. Students, continuously you can observe one thing. When we are using many word, that time each word contains s at the end. So जब एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं तो हम उसे end में s लगाएंगे. An ant, क्योंकि एक ही ant है. Many ants. A bird. Many birds. So these are the examples of one and many. एक है तो a यूज करोगे या फिर an. अगर ज़्यादा है, एक से ज़्यादा है तो वी विल यूज़ मैनी. सो लेट्स मूव. Now let us write question 1. Tick question 1. Tick the correct answer and write in the blank. आपको एक कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हैं and you have given some so look at this question 1. Tick the correct answer and write it in the blank. There are some pictures given to you and each picture contains 2 options. तो आपको correct answer को टिक करना है. Look at this picture. How many trees are there? One or many? There are many trees. एक से ज़्यादा trees दिख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पे. So tick the option many trees. This is the picture of clock. तो आपको clock एक दिख रही है या more than one? It is only one. So a clock. Next picture. Look at this. This is the picture of turtle. So it is one in number or more than one? It's only one. So tick on a turtle. Look at this picture again. What it looks like? Ant. So there is one ant or more than one? More than one. So tick on many ants. Because एक से ज़्यादा है ants. Now look at the next picture. What is this picture about? Colorful birds. There is one bird or more than one bird? More than one. So we will tick on many birds. What is this? Umbrella. Right? So umbrella एक है या एक से ज़्यादा? It is only one in number. So use an umbrella because it sounds vowel. So students, I hope you have understand this question. Now question number 2. Look at these pictures. Name the pictures correctly. मतलब आपको पिक्चर्स दिए हैं नीचे, आपको देखना है वो पिक्चर में जो भी चीज़ आपको दिखाई है that thing is only one in number or more than one. And according to that you have to write in the blank. So इस पिक्चर में आपको क्या दिख रहा है? This is shirt. तो शर्ट एक है या एक से ज़्यादा है? Only one. That's why we have used a shirt. Okay? Or shirt. Here more than one shirt. So there are more than one shirt. So we will use S at the end of shirt. So when you are talking about many shirt, we will use S. So shirts or many shirts. Next picture. What is this? Tap मतलब नल. Okay? So ये एक ही है इसलिए tap. But here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will use S at the end. That is many taps. Okay? Next picture. What is this? Ball. Because it's one in number, only ball. B-A-L-L. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 number of balls. Okay? So more than one. That's why we will use many balls. S at the end. This is the picture of cat. Cat कितनी है? सिर्फ एक. That's why C-A-T cat. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we will use many cats, S at the end of cat. Here last picture is about bear. Okay, because it's only one in number, B-E-A-R, bear. Here the number of bear is 2. That's why M-A-N-Y, many bears. Students, I hope you have understand this question about one and many, and I just hope with the help of these pictures the concept of one and many is clear to you. So students, revise the topic of one and many and go through the question answers we have solved. Thank you.